You halos.
That's so badass.
Taboo.
Mojo.
I'll have a
like
special
Alberto.
pediment.
Chicharron. Pork belly chicharron. That's what embarrassed him.
Very well when it comes to taboo.
Alberto's not going to do any more talking because he's afraid, because he got embarrassed last time. So now he's just going to stay quiet. He's going to do tons of chopping. Chopping's what he's good at. But I'm going to embarrass myself so much that it's going to inspire him to give another crack at the YouTube narration and narrating. And then he'll get his mojo back and he'll be back cornier than ever. Today is taco day. Tacos are one of his specialities. So I'm sure he would have liked to talk about it, but he's not going to. This is the chicken. It's going to be chicken tacos. He likes to boil them so that the meat falls right off the bone. It's amazing. I'm sure you guys will see when we're all done. And by you guys, I mean Alberto's mom, the person we're making this video for. So I think what's going to go on the tacos is going to be tomatoes and just tomatoes today. It's going to be meat and tomatoes.
That's it.
American classic. Instead of meat and potatoes, meat and tomatoes. It's going to be great. You'll see. Okay, so maybe there's not just going to be tomatoes on these tacos. Maybe there's also going to be parsley. Cilantro. That's a lot like parsley, but smells and tastes completely different. It looks like there's also going to be lime on the tacos, and it looks like there's an onion in here. So there's probably going to be a little bit of onion. And these are shaping up very nicely. Hopefully there's some good hot sauce or something to top it off. We'll see as it shapes up. Because, like I said before, Alberto is not saying a word. He's not even telling me the recipe. So we'll see how it comes out. So it looks like the fresh tomato, onions, and other things shaped up nicely. Turned out to be pico of de gallo, which is an Alberto special. But he's not going to talk about it, so it was a nice surprise. And that's going to be perfect for tacos because it's the best topping, and it even tastes good with chips. So the night's getting better.
I put this in there first. You want to use oil or you want to use this in? Yeah, pop it in. No, or you leave it long.
You've got halos.
That's so badass.
Yep.
Oh, it came? Amazing.
It works really well.
This thing is really cool.
So that's Javier. He doesn't have the same stigma that Alberto does.
I love the camera.
Alberto lost his mojo. Javier still has his.
Yes, I
Javier didn't embarrass himself
I have a
like
speech
Alberto
impediment.
did.
I have an impediment in my speech and
He
I'm
doesn't have a
stupid.
speech impediment. He can speak
That's
well.
what embarrassed him last
He
time.
plays very well when it comes to taboo.
The only reason why Javier is here is because we're checking in on the meat,
That's it. Seasoned.
checking in on the chicken,
Very well seasoned.
and then Javier is in charge of the...
Tortilla making. Well, the tortilla's already made, but... Oh,
And that is a brisket.
no. It's
Which
a pork
it's-
belly.
Alberto's back. All I have to do is say the wrong name for the meat, and then
It's a
he
pork
speaks
belly
up.
chicharron. That's all it is.
Chicharron. Pork belly chicharron.
You know, this is a good video to see a before and after. It's like, man, that guy used to be fat as hell.
Okay, the tortilla's not sizzling yet, so maybe I'll check back in a minute.
I'm telling you, you're just wasting film for this.
No, I'm putting the microphone down in the pan.
It's not gonna sizzle yet. I'm doing that right now. Let me take this one out and then we can sizzle.
Okay, what's the acronym for the people that like listening to sizzling and stuff?
Oh, ASMR or A.
That's the one. That's what you have to get.
But I'll say it right. And then you can actually go and do a finger grill. Yeah, burner's off.
Perfect.
You hit it, screen? You ready to see the sizzle? Ready? Golly! Woo! Yeah. Uses. All the uses. All right, Sam.
¿Y Andrea te fue a trabajar ya?
Salad bar. Good googly boy. That's your soundbite right there, Simon. Good googly.
I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much.